Hello everyone again, boys and girls. Today we are going to make the dragon chant. Wow, do you remember Teacher Cherry had taught you the dragon dance song? We will see the dragon dance and prance, right? See the dragons dance and prance, dance and prance, dance and prance. See the dragons dance and prance in Chinese New Year's Day. Woo! Wow! So, inside your material pack, you have this dragon chain set. So, first of all, you will take it out and then you will use a scissor to cut them off. Cut. If you don't know how to cut, you can ask daddy or mommy to help you, okay? Okay, good job, everyone. And now, after you cut it, you will get this. I'll take it out. You will get some lines and you stick some double-sided stickers or you paste some glue on it, okay? Then we will take out all the parts that we cut. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 body chains, okay? And then we will have a dragon head and a dragon's fire tail. Wow, look like it's very fierce, right? Fire tail. Okay, and then we will prepare 2 sticks. 2 sticks and another tip. Okay, so we'll be started. First of all, you take a chain and then you tear off the double-sided sticker and you stick them together like this. Okay, then it's a sticker. Look at this. It looks like a circle, right? You stick very well. Good job. And then we take another chain and tear the double-sided sticker. And then this time we will put it in the middle of the other chain and chain it up like this. Wow, look at this. Cool. Do you like it? Yes, I think this is so fun. And then we tear off another double-sided sticker on this chain. And then we put it in the middle of another chain. And then we chain it up like this. Wow, look at here. 1, 2, 3. 3 chains together. And now you take another body chain and you tear off the double-sided sticker. And then you put it in the middle of another chain and then you chain it up like this. Wow, cool. And then finally you have your last chain here. And then you tear it off here. And then you put it in the middle. And then you chain it up. Wow, so now how many chains do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains. Great, everybody did a good job. And now we have this dragon head. We just put a tab, okay? This is a transparent tab or any kind of tab is fine. Just as it can stick the sticker and the dragon head together. And you use a scissor to cut the tab, okay? To cut it. And then you take one stick with the dragon head, you stick it like here. And then to the back side, you stick them together like this. Alright. And then you take the double-sided sticker, you tear it a little bit, and you stick it behind the stick like this. And you tear it off, okay, like this. And then you take out the chain and you just stick on this chain. You can stick any kind of side, okay? You can stick like this or like that. They are both fine, like this. Wow, look at my dragon's head and dragon's body. Ooh, cool. And something is missing. Yes, you are right. The tail. The is missing. We take out one stick and one fierce firing tail, okay? And then we take the tap and just take a little bit and use a scissor to cut it, okay? So we have a tap and we have the tail and a stick. We just stick this stick on the tail, alright, like this. And double-sided sticker again. We just tear it apart and tap it here, okay? We stick it here and then tear it and stick it to the end of the chain to be the dragon's tail. Wow, and then stick it on. Look at here. We have the tail, we have the head, we have the dragon. Wow, now I have two dragons. They can dance together. Okay, like this. See the dragons dance and prance, dance and prance, dance and prance. See the dragons dance and prance in Chinese New Year's Day. Woohoo! That's great! So, are you ready to make your dragon chain? Okay, let's do it! Bye-bye!